thanks Just for organizing this session. My name is Khushbu Gupta. I am founder of Doodle Dabba. The Instagram handle is doodle_dabba. You can check out my artworks. So, I am a professional graphic designer, illustrator, and doodler, and I also do art and crafts and hand lettering in my pastime. Like, it's always good to add skills. I am first gonna tell about some basics of the doodling, and then we will start with the main doodle. So, there are some things in doodle when we start with it. Basic shapes. First are shapes. So, circles, triangles, squares, rhombus. I think it's called rhombus. Okay, I'm confused, sorry. Then these are the basic shapes. Then if we go for some other shapes, then the clouds or a bubble shape, this shape, then stars or this kind of star if you can make. I can't make this star properly, so I prefer this one only. Then these are some basic ones. Then we come to the lines, which I use a lot. I always say I express my feelings with lines. जितनी ज़्यादा lines होंगी उतने ज़्यादा emotions होंगे. I say this. So we start with some horizontal lines, then vertical ones, or these kind of lines, wavy lines, dash lines, dash and dotted together. This line looks really good in your doodle. Then small dash and big dashes together, then a broken line. So these are some basic lines we can use in our doodle. Then comes connectors. Connectors are like curvy lines, curves. This can be connected then these. So what I want you people to do is first write 10 words related to your lockdown. I really want you all to write down 10 words related to your lockdown. It will be going in our doodle. Like, we will incorporate all those words in our doodle. So words helps a lot in our doodle. Like, they describe it more properly, and it looks good also. Then we will see how we decorate them, not in detail but very casually. So if I write about my 10 words, then cooking is there, family is there, Ludo, then okay, planting or gardening, or whatever you want to use. Then Netflix, words like these. So next we'll come to the small shapes or fillers. For this, what we can do is, if we have a big circle with us, in this circle we can fill it with the dash lines or some random lines or some small circles close to each other, or small triangles, something like this. So let's start with our main doodle. I have told you the basics, like this kind of shape, these kind of shapes you want to use. So okay, please keep your camera straight. Okay, I hope now it's okay. No, it's not. Which watch are you using? It's pretty. Thank you. It's iWatch. Is this your camera? Guys, please tell me if it's... I think it's okay now. So we will first start making a circle in this square. I think I have to change my pen for this. The sheet is a little textured one, so I may use a felt tip pen for this. So I'm using this pen, Unipen. You can take any felt tip, or if your sheet is not textured, you can use a normal gel pen too. So now in this circle, we will draw a face. Again, for if you are a girl, we will draw a face of a girl, and if you are a boy, obviously you will draw a face of a boy. I'm gonna show you I'm gonna draw the face of both here. First we will, for a face, first we will draw a U, then eyes के लिए I hope you're able to see. And you just can follow me in here. Like, I will not be able to teach you the detailed part of how you make faces in this live. We have to complete it in time. So for a girl, I'm making it here. If you have long ears, so I have this style of making long necks, so you can also do that. Now if you have straight hair, draw straight lines in there, in this space. Or if you have wavy hair, you can do this. Okay, and for a boy, if any boys are there, again a U, same features will be the same. You can, okay, I forgot to make eyebrows. I know it's not looking good, but okay. I just want to teach the basics right now. I hope you're able to see. This should be in a circle. Yes, we have to make this in a circle now. So as I am a girl, I'm going to make a girl hair. So I will come to the comments after making this thing, like this completing with the girl. Yeah, I will come to the questions in a while, because if I'll keep looking at the comments thing, I'll lose the flow here. So here it is, the girl. Like I have wavy hair, so I have drawn wavy. If you have straight, you can draw straight lines. So we are left with the space here. What we will do now, and at what time you come live? Huh? Here. Hi Muskan. Finally you're here. Just on the phone, guys. Okay. Turn the phone. Do you come regularly? Go slow. Okay. So I'm stopping it here for a few seconds. You can draw this and let me know. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll start drawing dash lines around this girl. You can just keep following. Just to adjust the camera so that the page looks straight. Oof, okay, let me try again. I hope it is clear now. Expression should be happy or sad. It should be happy. It can be sad. It should not be sad. I mean, I am making neutral ones. So because I know it was a neutral feeling, not that happy, not that sad. So that's why I made a neutral expression. So we'll fill the circle with the dashed lines. Okay, so why you make doodle? I mean, if I ask you people, what is the purpose you want to doodle, or why do you doodle? Like if you ask me, I doodle to be happy, to take out my emotions. So what I experienced, I almost left doodling. So guys, here is the complete circle. We are done with the circle, and what we will do, we will come to the detailing part later. First we'll draw all the shapes around. So in doodling, what we do is, like I've made this circle, now I will make things around this circle. The things will go around this circle. Whatever you write, it will go in the flow of this round shape. So now I will make some wavy lines over here. And we'll connect it with the other line beneath. See, it's done. We will make all the big shapes first, and then we will fill them with words or elements or our connector shapes. Now we will draw some thin wavy lines and connect it to the line beneath it, like this. Just follow it, guys, for now, and if you have any questions, so we will follow the circle. Now I will write something over here. So I asked you people to write down 10 words regarding your lockdown period. So I will write Netflix over here in my normal handwriting. It doesn't need to be very fancy. Just be very normal with it. And then we'll draw a shape here. Will this live be saved? Yes, this will be saved. Go slow please. Okay. If you अगर आपका कुछ रह गया then you can tell me. I can see that again. Rotate your phone please. My phone is rotated on me. Guys, are you able to see the work properly or I have to do anything else? So after this thing we will draw a leaf shape, a plant or small leaves. You have to draw very simple shapes of leaf, a very basic one. ज़्यादा कुछ डिटेलिंग नहीं देनी इसमें अभी. We will go very basic here, like this. It's perfectly. Thank you. Finally, yes, it's perfect. It's okay. I hope you're done with till here. You are all done. Now what I'll do, I'll start with some curvy lines or curvy circles like this. Guys, one thing I want to tell, don't rush your work. Don't rush with your lines. The lines should finish properly. You should, like dance में होता है ना, we should finish the steps properly. इसमें भी ऐसे ही है. If you're drawing something, if you're drawing a line, it should be finished properly. The stroke should not left undone. So if we do this, our work looks neat. We'll draw some more. And as it's here, I'm going around the circle. Some small ones and big ones, and filling the gaps with lines like this. Some dots, lines, dots, lines. It will help look good when you are done with the work. Like this. One more here. So in doodle, balancing works a lot to balance your artwork. Like here we have made this big shape. To balance this out, we will do something big, this big here also, but in different forms. And now we will make some more lines. As I told you, I really love making lines and it helps a lot in taking out emotions. Doodling are never be, doodles are not those beautiful artworks. These are your emotions. Like if you make your doodle in between lectures, that will be your frustration. I hope you're done till here. Dhriti Gupta is asking, can we color black in the circle behind the curl? Okay. See, Abhi, what I will do, we will filling part we'll do later when we are done with the basic shapes. I mean, with the shape things and adding and writing elements and everything. So, if you color the circle behind this circle, then you have to balance the coloring thing according to this thing. If you want to color it, you're always welcome to do that, and obviously you can color it, but it's just that you have to then balance the doodle according to that. Now we will add a shape here. Like in my room, I have this big window in my room. So it's really special to me. It helped a lot. मैं वहीं पे बैठ के चाय पीती थी in my lockdown period. So I will draw that here. But to make it look a little, presentable, I'll make more lines in it. Obviously, it's not like that in real. I'll make checks over here. Again, we are using lines in it, and it is forming more shapes, squares it is forming, and we will fill in the details later. What is your name? I'm Khushbu. My name is Khushbu Gupta. I hope you people are drawing with me, and I would really love to see your doodles after this session. So now we'll continue with this thing, and now we will write another name or another word you have in your mind. I will write Ludo here, and we'll go with the shape, like this shape happening over here. Just double it like this. So these kind of things will happen with you also. मेरे साथ तो बहुत होती है. स्पेस कम रह जाता है या फिर क्लैश हो जाता है. So don't ever take tension with that. It's not gonna look bad last में. So now we have done it. We will fill it later. And to fill this space, we will add some dots here to fill the space, like this. Now here I want to draw something. अच्छा, लूडो के साथ we can also draw a dice. So we will draw a dice here with circles. Here we have already a square forming here. So we will draw a dice here. It doesn't have to be perfect, don't worry if it any number, any Roman number you want to put in here. Roman, sorry, a normal dot thing. Okay, let's fill in this Ludo thing. It will look good then. Guys, keep asking your questions if you have any. Okay, you can use any of a sketch pen or any black with black pen with thick tip to color it fast. I don't want to, I don't like breaking the flow of my doodle. So जो भी मेरे पास पेन होता है मैं उसी से करती हूँ सब, so that मेरा flow break ना हो. And flow matters a lot in doodling. That moment of when your emotions are coming out, that's very important, and that's the feeling. वही आपके डूडल से वही चीज़ कन्वे होती है दूसरे को. Now we will draw, or we will write something else like chill. बहुत चिल किया है लॉकडाउन में सब ने, एज इन घर का काम करने के बाद. तो आई विल राइट चिल हेयर इन अ वेरी सिंपल कैप्स लॉक थिंग. इस लॉकडाउन में किस किस ने पकौड़े खाए हैं? वी विल मेक अ कढ़ाई ओवर हियर, समवेयर हियर below. Doesn't have to be perfect again. The oil in the kadhai and some fumes. And maybe some design, because we don't want to leave this much white space here, so we'll add some details over here like this. छोले भटूरे. मैंने एक ही चीज़ ट्राई की थी पूरे लॉकडाउन में, दैट्स छोले भटूरे. यस मुस्कान, जस्ट हैड सम. So yeah, that's it with the कढ़ाई thing. And then साथ में क्या होता है वो जिससे तलते हैं, this thing. Nice. Okay, whatever. So basically what I mean is we will make something related to cooking here. Or now if you can see, I know each and everybody had this homemade thing happening during this lockdown period. So we will add a glass or a cutting chai cup here. We have made a glass here, and we can write cooking somewhere here. Now we will add some more shapes. Cooking we will write later, जब हमें एक space मिलेगा proper लिखने के लिए. I'll tell you when. As I said, we will go around this circle, so we are going around this circle only. These are simple rectangular shapes I am making in curve form. Again some circles, small circles over here. I am just balancing this big shapes here, as you can see, and then some plus signs. This adds, I just discovered this thing recently, this adds a really nice look to your doodle. Some plus signs, and it's very easy. See, if we can draw subtraction sign, why can't we draw plus signs? We'll write lockdown over here. in your own handwriting, guys, draw it according to yourself. I mean, write it according to yourself. But I can see I have made this mistake. Like Netflix is also in small letters and lockdown is also in small letters, so it can merge. अब मेरे को यहाँ पे I have to balance it with something else. I will create a fox calligraphy. Fox calligraphy means I will create a line once at one side of the letters. This will give a good bold effect to the word. Like this. And we'll create some vertical lines over Netflix. And a heart here, so that we can fill this space. I hope you're able to see it. What are we gonna, okay, we will fill these spaces. Okay, let's fill it now. Let's fill it with here. Let's start with this first shape, because I know this will distract people a lot, so we will fill it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some lines like this, then we'll repeat these 3 lines like this, and this will create a pattern. मेहंदी लगवाते टाइम बहुत लोगों ने नोटिस किया होगा ये पैटर्न, तो it looks good. I have to be a little fast now as we don't have much time, so that's why I'm making. It's upon you if you want to make intricate lines or you want to make loose lines with more space. It's on you. The more lines, the more intricate it will look. Like this. So our first shape is completed. We will fill these part with black, this part. What pen are you using? I am using this Unipin Fine Line. It's a Uniball ka pen. I really like it more than Macrons, I think. It's 0.4, guys, if you want to know. Okay, we have to rush it now a little. Now we will fill it later. I don't have that much time. So now we will come to this shape and we'll do some dashed lines over here. Like this. Some dots. Basically, this is called broken lines. Like this. I hope you're drawing with me. I really want to see your doodles after this session. Do tag me, Doodle Dabba and Just Jam Official, when you share your work. So this is also done. Now we will make some triangles, small triangles in this shape, like this. And now we have to fill the space, the leftover space. Let me take a thicker pen for this so that it can be completed. This is another roller gel pen. The tip is really thick, so that's why I'm using this one for filling purpose. If you have time, then you can always use your pen, the same pen you're using for your doodle. Okay, so when I doodle, I don't generally listen to music, and I just enjoy doing it like this only, without any sound on. So it helps me being in focus. It's okay if you fill in some shapes, not a problem. Guys, patience is really needed when you're making any artwork, anything related to drawing. Patience is really important. We are done with this much. Now we will add some more things to it. Maybe a cup of coffee here somewhere, or here, this part, just to balance it out. Very simple, nothing fancy. We'll add a word here. In the flow of this kadhai, we'll add cooking. Like this, just to fill in this round thing. Make it a little bold. It's not necessary to fill in the whole square. Like, your doodle should look balanced and connected to each other, connected to the subject. Guys, we have to fill in the hair also. So now we will fill in the hair. So we won't fill it like all the lines. We won't fill all the lines. If I'm filling one portion, then I'll make dashed lines, or then more lines in it. Maybe coloring again. Or you can give the depth by just making or adding more lines to it. Like this. You can again fill this portion. More lines. I hope you are able to see. Then some dash lines. Broken hair भी बहुत होता है ना लोगों को, so some dash lines. Then one more line and then we will fill in it. Please upload final picture after the session. I will do. Which type of pen you're using? It's a felt tip pen, guys. It's of Unipin pen. Okay, so I did not have to fill this, but बात करते करते मुझे ध्यान नहीं रहा. It's okay. ऐसा बहुत बार होता है डूडल में, लाइन कहीं ड्रॉ करनी होती है, कहीं ड्रॉ हो जाती है, तो never take tension for that. And we'll draw more lines over here. Some more lines on the head. Fill this thing. I just want to see what kind of face you have drawn, you people. I hope it's giving depth now. Now we will come to the square thing. Whatever you want to do this. Like, I will draw more lines to it. We will draw vertical lines in alternative square. Like this. So your doodles can be very therapeutic. It's just upon you what kind of thing. As you have heard about Zentangle art, it's for that purpose only. Guys, now we will fill all the small shapes we have drawn to give depth to our doodle. Hope you're following me. And if you really want to get better in it, just keep practicing. Draw shapes, lines, whatever you want, just keep practicing every day. We might draw something here, maybe a plant with big leaves this time. Like this, big leaf here, just to follow the flow of the doodle. So I think I will draw something here now. Maybe a big circle and more lines following the same line. This is how you balance your doodle. And the lines should not be, it does not need to be perfect like this, and we can fill in details by adding small lines like this. I hope you're all understanding what I'm trying to say here. Can you please post the final? Yes, I will do that for sure. Or whatever kind of pattern you want to make in between these lines, you're always welcome with your thoughts. Like abhi bhi, if you want to draw something else, just go for it. Like now I'm making this inverted U pattern here. Maybe again. Now inverted V. And a small smiley. Okay, we will fill in this again. Guys, I asked for 2 colored pens also, so there's a purpose for that also, why I asked for them. Maybe we'll color this either the alternative squares forming here or the whole line upon U. Like this. We'll write something over here or we'll draw something. I really like these kind of lines. And we'll add shadow to the one side of the spring we have created. Like this. Guys, the thing is, आप जितना इसको expand करते जाओगे ये उतना बनता जाएगा. तो it's upon you where you want to finish it or you want to stop. What I do is मैं एक बार में कभी भी पूरा doodle complete नहीं कर पाती हूँ, just because I get bored, so I just leave it like this. And जब मैं कभी बाद में गुस्सा आता है जब किसी के ऊपर या रोना आता है कभी, then I again take this doodle and start doing it. मेरे सारा emotion doodle में फिर से निकलता है and उससे ही वो doodle अच्छा लगता है. We will write here unlock. Or I had to write hobbies unlock, but it's okay. We'll write unlock your hobbies. लिख देते हैं. We'll add a plant over here in this shape only. And maybe a plant here. Plant as in a pot. Maybe a cactus. And some pattern too in the pot. Like this. We will give some definition to this word chill, as it's kind of lost in the doodle, so we'll make it bold so that it can stand out. Like this. Now to balance this thing, we'll add some color here, the black color here. Maybe we will draw a cloud form. Like this, and we'll write family in it, and we'll fill it with dashed lines. In the flow only, जो क्लाउड का शेप है उसी के फ्लो में. Please see. Okay, sorry. I hope it's all clear now about the shapes you can use, the lines, the filler things you can use, space fillers. So I hope it's kind of now clouds में से we can start with some wavy lines again, like a rain thing happening, something like this. Okay, so we have drawn here, so to balance this space we will draw something here. Now I was writing Modi ji stars, as I told you लॉकडाउन में ये भी हुआ था, जो कि थोड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट भी था. सो वी विल राइट मोदी जी's task. We'll highlight it a little. अभी जैसे फ्लो ब्रेक हुआ ना, इसी फ्लो की मैं बात कर रही थी. काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें चेंज हो जाती हैं, आपका इमोशन ब्रेक हो जाता है, लाइक यू जस्ट ब्रेक द फ्लो ऑफ व्हाट यू आर ड्राइंग. एंड अराउंड दिस थिंग आई मे ड्रॉ अ स्पून and a thali. May sound funny. Like this. And a candle also. It's totally on you what you want to draw, if you want to even write this or not. It's totally on you. If you haven't done it, don't draw it, because this is your memory. You can write another thing here, any other word you have in your list, like a sport if you have played. Not a sport, sorry. So yeah, that's it. So we will draw something here now. इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि सारी चीज़ें सेंस, जिस सबका सेंस हो, आप कुछ भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. डूडल इज एनीथिंग एंड एनी, I mean, you can draw each and everything you want to draw. He can make some lines, diagonal lines over here. And मैंने बिना सोचे समझे बनाया था, but it is acting like a window. मुंबई में काफ़ी लोगों के यहाँ पे इसी टाइप की बालकनीज होती हैं, कवर्ड बालकनीज, और वो वहीं से उन्होंने टास्क कंप्लीट किया था. सो इट्स एक्टिंग लाइक दैट. we will make lines like this. So we will now draw or write my lockdown, or only lockdown here. This big space, we will write it in a bigger form now. So maybe L. Again, we will double it like this. O. And if you want to write my also, you can write my in this space. Lock की spelling, okay, sorry. Lock. जितना space मिल रहा है, we have to मेक इट इन अ फ्लो. ये नहीं कि सिंपल लिख दिया. अगर इसका फ्लो देखना है अभी हमको, दिस सर्कल हैपनिंग हियर, देन अगेन बिग W, and now we have to make an N in this space. Like this. So it's kind of covered now, and if you want to add more definition to it, give shadows like this. Like this. Guys, I hope you're drawing with me. We will fill the black, we will fill these shadows with black color. Okay, so it's done here, and now we have this extra space over here. We will just make random shapes or stars, anything like a star over here, then here, जहाँ भी आपको स्पेस दिख रही है, a star over here, a heart. Now we will make random shapes to fill in the spare space we have. Or if you are good at making leaves and plants, do that please. Some more plants or branches. We can draw this also, a flower thing like this, a big flower here, a flower here, Now there are various ways of making flower also, but that will go a little deep, so we won't do that for now. We will draw some drop shapes here under this cloud to just fill in the space. Some here and some lines, more lines, guys. Just fill this entire space. Lines are just love to make. Maybe a triangle here to just balance the space. Make a line and fill it with patterns. Anything you want to fill in, just do it. I'll make a packet of Maggi also. So a rectangle like this, then this, then this, and you will simply write Maggi in between, and a heart. Here again you can make lines to fill in the triangle. Some curve shape. Fill in the black color where you think you should. अभी तक तो थोड़ा सा अंदाज़ा तो लग ही गया होगा ना, बैलेंस करने के लिए where to fill in the black color. Like this. We will draw some lines here to fill in the space again. We'll color the heart, and doesn't need to be filled in properly. You can leave white space in between. We'll fill the star but not properly. We'll fill the half star, नहीं तो बहुत ज़्यादा black हो जाएगा. We'll make lines in this heart. We'll add detail in the flower. Will it be saved? Yes, it will be saved. The last one is already saved, and I will save this one also. Yes, something like this. I will add a line over here because I don't like empty spaces. We'll make leaves like this. Very simple way of making leaves. Cylindrical shapes. And you can, like, you can write something over here or draw something, some pattern. I will write whatever happen for good to conclude my lockdown in my handwriting. I'm just filling the space with whatever I feel like, so you can also do that. Like this, and then you can fill the circles. I hope my voice is clear and you're able to hear me properly. Yes friends, we are done now. एंड जितना डिटेल ऐड करोगे दैट इज़ ऑन यू. जितना आपको अब इसमें डिटेल ऐड करना है. योर बेसिक डूडल इज़ डन. वी विल color this shadow part also. I almost forgot. So basically there is one question people can there is this one thing people keep wondering कि doodle बहुत मुश्किल होता है बनाना. as in how can a person keep on drawing बिना सोचे समझे बनाए जा रहा है बस. so this flow, तो वही आपको यहाँ पे you can see कि I am just drawing simple shapes and patterns and nothing more. You just need to do it in a balanced way. That's it. This is our last step what we are doing right now, and after this it's all done. I won't add any more details. And if you think I am leaving some space here and there, then you can comment please. I'm doing it kind of fast. You please take your time and do it. Don't run your work. Don't run the strokes. Just do it very patiently. Like this. And add some dots. That's it. Nothing more. I've written my here. Guys, it's done now. See, this happens when you are a doodler. You just keep on doing things. मैंने 10 बार बोल दिया I'm done, but I'm not stopping. Okay, I'm done. Okay, so I will wait for a minute to you people to finish it, and then we'll just move your sheet. I will share a full pic after this session. Okay. Guys, I hope you have made it, and please do share the final outcome with us. Thank you so much everyone. It was really nice being with you all, and I'm really happy with this session. Okay, bye then. Thank you so much Jasha for inviting me again, and I will surely gonna save the session. Okay, bye. Thank you so much again.